Hey guys, how's it going? I decided I'll show you the newest updates to my key collection because I got a couple more keys that I really like. I'll start off with this one. This is a Chrysler key. And house keys. Somebody I knew found these keys in a river. And this key I just got today. It went to a 1993 Mazda Miata. Because I know who the former owner of the car is. These keys were also found in a river. This goes to a Lexus. And a Toyota. And the Toyota key fob with the lock and unlock in the front and panic is on the back. And here, for the first time since I've collected car keys, I got a key to a Porsche. How exciting is that? It's got the Porsche logo on the back, although it's silver and not in and not, I don't know how to describe that. It's not in color, it's all silver. You might know what I'm talking about, and it's got one button on the front that I believe unlocks and locks it. And it's got a light on it when you push, and it's got a light on it that flashes when you push the button. There you go. So, those are the newest additions to my key collection, so thanks for watching. Bye.